Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Got a nice comp room here in the North Tower, 38th floor. There's only one floor above me, and after that it's the roof. So I think this is the highest I've ever been in the North Tower. I got some plans here tonight just at the Hard Rock. What I plan on doing is going downstairs to see a show. The show is also comp, so thank you Hard Rock for that. It's the Beatles tribute show called Let It Be. And it follows the Beatles all the way from their Ed Sullivan days to the breakup of the band, and all the costume changes and their looks and the music changes and all the things during that decade that the Beatles were around. And I am a huge Beatle fan, so I'm really looking forward to this show. And again, thank you Hard Rock for giving me tickets to that. After the show, I will probably pick up some Asian food, which I haven't done here at the Hard Rock. I have a lot of work to do tonight here in the hotel room as far as editing videos, so I'm going to probably pick up some Asian food, bring it up here to the hotel room. I'll show you what that looks like if I go, and we'll take things from there. But in the meantime, I'm going to head downstairs, check out that show. Again, I'll try to show you some snippets of that show. I don't know if I can or can't. I probably can't. But I'll see what I can get away with here, and then I have to see what I can get away with at YouTube, so there's that. So I'm going to head downstairs now, pick up some Asian food after the show, come back up here, and I'll talk to you guys then. Take care. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. The show is at the Soundwaves venue, which is right off the boardwalk, so I still have to go down one more flight by the casino, and Soundwaves is right there by the hotel entrance off the boardwalk. Looks like the Harvest Buffet is busy once again. Quite a line here, but not as long as usual, so that's pretty good. Hold on tight. Looks like this exhibit's going away. The Soundwaves venue has security. They pass that wand around your legs and torso to make sure you have no metal on you. You have to empty your pockets into a container. So I don't have a camera from this point forward, and they made sure that everyone knew no recording of any type during the show. I'm going to see what I can do with my phone, and we'll just take things from there. So please forgive the video quality and the sound quality coming up, but just want to give you a couple of snippets of the show, and then I'll talk to you on the other side. point in the video, you've already seen how I managed to edit that show. And I can guarantee you, editing that show is not going to be easy. I mean, I have to pay respect, obviously, to hard rock, to the Let It Be band, and of course to the Beatles. But I'll figure something out. It might take a little time, but I'll figure it out. In any event, speaking of editing videos, I need to go upstairs and edit a video. But first I'm going to head upstairs and get some Asian food and bring it up to the hotel room. Come on along with me.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
So I got some lo mein, some General Tso chicken, and a cookie for tomorrow when I wake up with my coffee. I'll show you what it all looks like when I get up to the room. I love the Ramones, and every time I stay at the North Tower, I pass Dee Dee Ramone's guitar, and I just have to stare at it for a couple moments because the detail on that artwork is just amazing. It's just one of hundreds of memorabilia items here at the Hard Rock. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. I was shooting videos all day here in Atlantic City, and I got quite a lot done, but I got up to the room to get ready for the show tonight, which was fantastic, by the way, and I realized just about a half hour before the show started, I haven't eaten since yesterday, which is really not good. So I grabbed a bag of chips on the way up to get ready for the show, which is really not good either. So I had a bag of chips before the show, and I just head over now after the show. It's 10 o'clock now, a little after 10. And I went to the Asian place downstairs at the Hard Rock here, and I got some lo mein and some General Tso chicken, and I also got a chocolate chip cookie for my coffee tomorrow morning when I wake up. So let's see what it looks like. Again, with one hand, there we go. So it looks pretty good. It's very hot, which is good. And this is considered an entree and a side. It really looks like two entrees if you ask me, but I'm sure I'll do a good job on it. Again, I hardly ate all day. Let's see what it tastes like. That lo mein is good. Really good. Kind of spicy, but sweet. And good taste of onions. Hopefully you'll like onions because there's lots of, looks like sauteed onions in this. But they're really good. And the noodles are nice and tender. So normally I would just eat downstairs and do a video of my dinner, but I've got work to do. It's after 10 o'clock. There is no video ready for tomorrow, which means I have to edit a video, which takes, depending upon the video, 3 to 4 hours. So I'm gonna work on that now, put a little music on. First I'm gonna finish my dinner, maybe pour myself a glass of wine, and work on tomorrow's video. Let's try some of this General Tso chicken. That's good too. Everything is spicy yet sweet, but it's not overly sweet or overly spicy. It's just perfect. So this Asian place downstairs is pretty good, especially if you want something that you can bring up to the room. In other videos, pardon me talking with my mouth full, you've seen me bring up pizza to the room and a White House sub. This is the first Asian meal that I brought up. And you know what? It's all good. It really is. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this. I don't think you guys want to see me eat my entire meal. I got my cookie. Now, I always get a cookie when I'm here. I say I'm gonna have it in the morning with my coffee, but for some reason, I never do. I bring it home with me and I eat it probably the next day or whatever. These cookies are fantastic. I get one every time I'm here. So anyway, the cookie's $3.50. The lo mein and the General Tso chicken, which again is an entree and a side, came to 17 bucks. It's a good, satisfying meal, which is what I needed because that bag of chips certainly didn't do the trick. So again, I'm gonna finish this and get to work on the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope I can edit that Beatles stuff. I'm sure I can figure something out. Might take me 2 or 3 days to do the editing on that, but again, I just want to pay respect to this hotel, this organization, as well as the Let It Be band who was there last night, or tonight I should say, and of course the Beatles. So we'll see how that edit goes. In the meantime, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.